Good evening and welcome to Doordarshan Kendra Kohima. I'm Vimasana with the news. First, the headlines. Prime Minister Modi launches Swasth Nari Shashank Parivar campaign and lays foundation stone for development projects in MP's Dar. Chief Minister Nipurio inaugurates the state-level launch of Swasth Nari Shashank Parivar Abhiyan. Information and Broadcasting Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw launches a special series of programs for DD National and DD News on Seva Parv. And Nagaland Deputy Chief Minister Y. Patten extends warm wishes on behalf of the people of Nagaland on the occasion of the 75th birth anniversary of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And now the details. Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid the foundation stone and inaugurated several development projects in Dhar, Madhya Pradesh on Wednesday. Addressing the gathering, Prime Minister Modi highlighted the historical significance of Dhar, noting the bravery of Maharaja Bhoj and the sacrifice of Maharshi Dadichi as inspiration for national service. He termed the event as Hyderabad Liberation Day, symbolizing India's unity and honor, and emphasized that nothing surpasses the honor, pride and glory of Mother India. Launching the Swasth Nari Shashank Parivar campaign, the Prime Minister emphasized women's health as central to the nation's development. He noted that screenings for conditions including blood pressure, diabetes, anemia, tuberculosis and cancer will be conducted free of cost, supported by the Ayushman card for further treatment. The campaign, running from September 17 to October 2, aims to strengthen preventive and curative healthcare for mothers, sisters and daughters nationwide. The Prime Minister also inaugurated the 8th National Nutrition Month and highlighted schemes such as the Pradhan Mantri Matru Vandayan Yojana, under which over 19,000 crore rupees have been disbursed to 4.5 crore pregnant women, including 15 lakh women on Tuesday alone. Addressing tribal health, the Prime Minister distributed the 1 crore sickle cell screening and counselling card in Madhya Pradesh, marking progress in the national mission against sickle cell anemia. Additionally, he inaugurated the Prime Minister Mitra Park in Dhar, India's largest integrated textile, along with the Adi Seva Parv for Madhya Pradesh under the Adi Karm Yogi Abhiyan. Highlighting the importance of Swadeshi, Prime Minister Modi urged citizens to purchase Indian-made goods, stressing that domestic production generates employment, strengthens the economy and contributes to national development.
सिर्फ यहाँ धार में ही नहीं, पूरे देश में लाखों किसान अभी हमारे साथ इस कार्यक्रम में जुड़े हुए हैं.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Tuesday virtually launched the Swasth Nari Shashank Parivar Abhiyan, a nationwide campaign aimed at strengthening healthcare services for women and children through special health schemes. In Nagaland, the state-level launch was organized at the Capital Convention Centre, Kohima, where Chief Minister Nipurio formally inaugurated the campaign in the presence of senior officials, church leaders and healthcare representatives. Extending warm greetings to the Prime Minister on his birthday, Rio commended Modi's visionary leadership in guiding the nation towards Viksit Bharat 2047. He described the campaign as a meaningful initiative aimed at improving women's health and in turn empowering families and communities across the nation. Rio urged citizens, particularly women, mothers and young girls, to fully utilize the services being offered. The Chief Minister highlighted that the campaign being observed from September 17 to October 2 will provide a comprehensive package of specialist services. He further noted that the active role of the Nagaland Institute of Medical Sciences and Research NIMSR, along with private hospitals and clinics, in extending specialist services during the health camps.
Laboratories, labs are being constructed under PM Abhiyan scheme. This integration enhances the disease surveillance, streamlines resource allocation and facilitates rapid response of outbreaks and pandemics. So these IPGL labs will be monitoring the disease pattern, and then before anything becomes outbreak or a pandemic, we will identify and will be able to
And Broadcasting Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw today launched a special series of programs for DD National and DD News on Seva Parv at an event in New Delhi. The Chief Minister emphasized Seva Pav is being observed from today on the occasion of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's birthday, which will continue to the 2nd of next month. On the occasion, Vaishnu said that India has established its new identity across the globe. On the occasion, Information and Broadcasting Secretary Sanjay Jaju said that this is a special occasion when the people are acknowledging the transformative journey of the nation. He added that stories are coming from across the country about change, transformation and nation building.
भारत को विकसित भारत के रास्ते पे ले जाने वाले हमारे आदर्श पुरुष, विश्व में विख्यात यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के जन्मदिन पर मेगा ब्लड डोनेशन ड्राइव आरंभ हुई है। मुझे भी सौभाग्य मिला है ब्लड डोनेशन का। देश के जन जन से मैं आह्वान करूंगा कि सेवा की भावना के साथ 140 करोड़ देशवासियों की सेवा में हम सब जुट जाएं। जो प्रेरणा हमारे प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने हमें दी है, उस अंधकार से उजाले की तरफ ले जाने वाले प्रधानमंत्री जी को मैं बहुत बहुत हार्दिक अभिनंदन करता हूं।
On the occasion of the 75th birth anniversary of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Nagaland Deputy Chief Minister Y. Patten extended warm wishes on behalf of the people of Nagaland during a celebration at BJP headquarters Kohima today. Patten stated that the vision of Prime Minister Modi has been clear to ensure that every citizen, regardless of where they live, has access to basic necessities, modern infrastructure and opportunities for growth. This vision is coming to life in numerous ways in Nagaland. Patten highlighted the Prime Minister's transformative leadership and its impact on Nagaland with railway connectivity, highway development, food security, Jal Jeevan Mission, etc. Acknowledging Modi's service and leadership, Patten said Modi's governance reflects a vision rooted in seva, service, aligning with values of selflessness and community welfare. Patten also noted that the fortnight-long Sewa Pakhwada will be observed to mark the Prime Minister's vision of service. Patten further urged to honor the vision and leadership of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, a leader who has consistently shown his dedication to the service of the people for the upliftment of the marginalized and the development of our great nation.
Has gone for a direct railway link to Kohima, our state capital. This train is now on the verge of becoming a reality.
Swachhata Hi Seva is a nationwide cleanliness campaign launched under the Government of India's Swachh Bharat mission, which aimed to promote sustainable sanitation, plastic waste management and community participation. In Nagaland, the initiative will be implemented across districts with special focus on urban local bodies, markets and institutions. Achumbemo Kikon, MLA and chairperson of the Nagaland Legislative Assembly Committee on Environment and Climate Change, officially launched the Swachhata Hi Seva 2025 campaign, Team Swachh Hot Saf at All MLA Hostel Complex, Kohima today. In his address, Kikon underscored the urgent need for a collective movement to protect the environment and improve sanitation practices. He reminded the gathering that Nagaland is an ecologically fragile state where unplanned urbanization and careless waste disposal are already having visible negative impacts on daily life. He emphasized that cleanliness is everyone's business and not the government's business alone. He urged schools, community-based organizations, churches and youth groups to take ownership of the cleanliness drive, saying that small daily actions by individuals can bring about long-term change. The launch featured symbolic activities such as splash tagging on cleanliness, community cleaning drives and awareness campaign, highlighting the importance of responsible waste disposal.
एक बार पूरा आमा खान लगा खोर भी आरसीसी खान भी इतु बार गुरी ना आइबो निशिना किरे अब नेगा नहीं तो फील करी ना नो करे
We will now take a short commercial break. Stay tuned.
राजू मोबाइल छोड़ो।
अरे दीदी वो बैंक का नंबर चाहिए, रिफंड ही नहीं आया है।
मिल गया। अब भी कॉल करता हूँ दीदी।
बिना नंबर जांचे अक्सर जालसाज बैंक की नकली वेबसाइट और फर्जी नंबर से पैसों की धोखाधड़ी करते हैं।
तो फिर सही नंबर?
बैंक की ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट या तो कार्ड पर।
आपने तो बचा लिया दीदी।
काम से नहीं।
आरबीआई कहता है,
सही वित्तीय बर्ताव करे आपका बचाव।
Welcome back. The Swasth Nari Sashang Parivar Abhiyan Healthy Women Empowered Family campaign was officially launched today at the Chapel Hall District Hospital, Dimapur. Deputy Commissioner Dr. Tino Jungshi Chang inaugurated the campaign, which aligns with a nationwide launch by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. During his address, Dr. Chang emphasized the campaign's role in the Prime Minister's vision for Viksit Bharat 2047, Developed India 2047. He highlighted the health sector as a cornerstone for a developed nation and stressed that the well-being of women and children is crucial to achieving this goal. He expressed hope that the campaign's success in Dimapur, a key district in the state, would inspire similar efforts elsewhere. Chang also urged health workers to continue their dedicated efforts in the field. He noted that while numerous schemes for women and children exist, a lack of grassroots awareness remains a major challenge. He called on everyone present to help disseminate information to ensure the campaign's targets are met and assured them of the district administration's full support. Chief Medical Officer Dr. T. Yethovi Tuchu delivered the keynote address, stating that the progress of any society is directly linked with the empowerment of its women, marking their health a top priority.
I also would like to say that because, see, especially women and children, if we are not taking care of their health, we may not be able to achieve that in the India, because we know antenatal care, postnatal care, all these things are.
Chief Minister Dr. Nipirio officially launched the Enhancing Landscape and Ecosystem Management Element Nagaland project at the Chief Minister's Secretariat, Nagaland Civil Secretariat in Kohima today. Chief Minister Dr. Nipirio, speaking at the program, said the Element project funded by the World Bank is not just another addition, but it represents a significant milestone in a collective commitment to restore, conserve and sustainably management of Nagaland's unique landscape and rich forest wealth. Chief Secretary Sentiyangar Imchen, IAS, delivering the keynote, highlighted the significance of the Element project and emphasized the importance of effective implementation, timely completion and active community involvement to ensure project success in the state. Earlier, Chief Minister Dr. Nipirio officially launched Element Project World Bank and Element Project logo during the program. Element Nagaland project, funded by the World Bank International Bank for Reconstruction and Development, IBRD, will be implemented over 5 years in 225 villages across 16 districts. The project will be implemented by the Society for Climate Resilient Agriculture in Nagaland, Sokran, under Agriculture Production Commissioner Cell APC Cell. The Element project focuses on 4 key components, which include strengthening capacities for integrated landscape management. Under this, the focus is on building capacities for integrated landscape management to promote sustainable use of natural resources. We will now look at the weather report from the district headquarters of Nagaland.
Kohima today recorded a maximum temperature of 25 degrees Celsius and a minimum temperature of 18 degrees Celsius, while Dimapur had a maximum temperature of 32 degrees Celsius and a minimum temperature of 24 degrees Celsius. Wokha experienced a maximum temperature of 26 degrees Celsius and a minimum temperature of 21 degrees Celsius. Mokokchung had a maximum temperature of 25 degrees Celsius and a minimum temperature of 20 degrees Celsius. Mon had a maximum temperature of 26 degrees Celsius and a minimum temperature of 23 degrees Celsius. Towards the east, Twinsang had a maximum temperature of 21 degrees Celsius and a minimum temperature of 16 degrees Celsius. Zinabuto had a maximum temperature of 23 degrees Celsius and a minimum temperature of 18 degrees Celsius. Phek had a maximum temperature of 23 degrees Celsius and a minimum temperature of 16 degrees Celsius. That's all for the weather report.
And before we close, a recap of the main points. Prime Minister Modi launches Swasth Nari Sashang Parivar campaign and lays foundation stone for development projects in MP's Dhar. Chief Minister Nipirio inaugurates the state-level launch of Swasth Nari Sashang Parivar Abhiyan. Information and Broadcasting Minister Ashwini Vaishnav launches a special series of programs for DD National and DD News on Seva Park. And Nagaland Deputy Chief Minister Y. Patil extends warm wishes on behalf of the people of Nagaland on the occasion of the 75th birth anniversary of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And with that, we close tonight's news edition. Thank you for your company. Have a good night.